As a dad, I carry most of my stress in my neck. The rest of it is usually standing behind the camera asking what's for dinner. But this right here, this is not your traditional neck pillow like you would take on a plane or anything like that. This one is actually Bluetooth enabled, it heats, and it massages. So you can listen to relaxing music while getting a massage. And you never have to hear, hey, I'll give you a massage if you give me one. So it feels and acts just like any neck pillow that you get, except for you get these little straps right here so that you can pinpoint the pressure that you want, right? And so if you want a little bit more pressure or kneading right there, you can actually use these straps to hold on to that. Now let me show you. These straps are honestly, they're made of thinner plastic with thicker plastic on the end, so you can grab and hold and not feel like you're gonna rip something out. You're not gonna tug on them because you're gonna be able to apply pressure. I mean, how awesome is this? The next time you go flying, you're not only gonna be able to sleep with a neck pillow, but you're gonna get a massage, relaxing. Oh, and you're gonna have heat right there. All right, so check this out. This is the only neck pillow that I know of that actually has a knob right here. And if you short press this, just press it down, it activates that. We're gonna turn this up a little bit so you can hear it. So every time you turn it, you can see that this is going a little deeper, and it's gonna talk to you a little bit through here. And then if you short press it on here, it changes the mode. There are 5 different modes. And then if you turn the knob, there's 5 different intensity settings. And so you can turn that up or down depending on how far you like it. So if you take a look at this, I'm gonna turn it down. Depth 3, depth 2, and depth 1 right there. So you got shiatsu, kneading, relaxation, vitality, all sorts of different modes right here that's just gonna get the back of your neck right there. So what I like to do is just start at level 1 and work my way up, like with hot sauce and definitely conversations with the wife about my new power tools. Start slow and then wrap it up, right? So all your knobs and your controls are gonna be right here. Now I just changed it to shiatsu mode. I kind of like that one. Sometimes I don't necessarily love it hitting my neck that hard. So I like to start gentle, and then depth 2 is like where I like to live, unless you need it. Oh, yeah, that right there. Oh, I like that. And then I can apply more pressure right here. Now, one of the things that's pretty unique to this is actually the heat mode. And I got it turned on. It turns on and heats up pretty quickly. And it's heating up, so it feels really, really good on you. It's not too hot. It's not gonna burn you at all, or not burning me. It's kind of having a hot mass. It's kind of like having a heating pad on your neck in those sore areas. So that's really awesome. I love just holding onto this and just being able to apply my own pressure. If I can hold it down this and kind of circle around the neck or come back like that, that feels really good, kind of loosening those muscles up. And I can just imagine just being able to fall asleep. It really is relaxing, a ton of relaxing. So these speakers are fairly loud. That's what I like to do, just like to listen to a little bit of classical music just to relax you, sit back on the couch, kick back, relax. Oh yeah. I mean, that is super relaxing. I don't know what else to say. That feels so good. I love the shiatsu number 2. If you get one of these, you get to try shiatsu number 2. So who is this for? Honestly, it's anybody that loves their neck massaged. That's just about everybody I know. And you don't want to have to take turns doing it, right? So obviously when you're traveling, a traveler, just sitting down watching TV, or if you just want to come home, nice relaxing day. Oh yeah, right there. This feels really good. I'm not gonna lie, this is awesome. The other thing I will tell you, you're gonna be able to control everything with the Bluetooth, and so this is as loud as it goes. I honestly think this is just a little bit too loud if I'm trying to relax. So I like just a nice, soft, relaxing melody just playing in the background when you're just doing this. Or you're watching TV and you're just getting that massage on. Last thing I'm gonna mention here is it does have a 15-minute timer or heating timer or a massage timer. So when it turns off, it's not out of battery. It just is protection or just gonna last a lot longer. It's just taking a break. You can kick it back on if you want to, but you do have the ability to charge it just with a little C cable right there. You can charge it up, and it doesn't take hardly at all to charge it. And, oh yeah, and it does come with fancy case right here that you can stick that in. So the next time you need a massage and you don't want to bargain for one, hey, if I do it, will you do me? Then you just want to sit back, relax at the end of a stressful day. This is going to take that tension right out of your neck, And you might be able to say, all right, kid, how much do you need? So a couple pros and a couple cons. The pro is it is super relaxing, and I'm almost literally gonna fall asleep doing this right here. The con is that if I'm too relaxed, then my kids can come and take advantage of me, and I probably will say yes to about anything they ask.